photographing Vulture City, Arizona with my Fujifilm X-T5 and the world's smallest interchangeable lens. The Vulture mine began in 1863 when Henry Wickenburg discovered a quartz outcropping containing gold. A small boomtown sprung up around the mine called Vulture City. At its height, several thousand people lived in the fledgling desert town. Like a lot of gold mines, Vulture had prosperous years interspersed with periods of hardship and inactivity. By the 1940s, Vulture City was a ghost town. I used 4 different recipes at Vulture City. 1970 summer was my favorite for outdoor scenes with blue sky, making the pictures appear as if they were captured many decades ago. Fujicolor Natura 1600 worked well for taming high contrast situations, delivering a muted negative film look, while Kodak Ektachrome E100 VSV1 had a vibrant slide film rendering. Agfachrome RS 100, which has a cool cast, was my favorite for indoor scenes. The Pentax 110 24mm f2.8 lens is comically small when adapted to my Fujifilm X-T5. The aperture is fixed, which makes it challenging to use. This tiny lens is special because of its unique character. It's sharp in the center and soft on the edges with some vignetting, producing pictures that have a retro analog look, particularly when paired with my film simulation recipes. Vulture City is an eerie place with a haunting atmosphere. The Pentax 110 24mm lens might be a forgotten relic of a bygone era, but it was especially fun to use at this ominous ghost town.